Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Now in this video, we are going to tell you about Airplane 1980 film cast, real name and real age. So guys, let's get started. Number 1. Dr. Rumak. Real name Leslie William Nielsen. He was born on February 11, 1926. Leslie William Nielsen in 1980, age 54 years. Leslie William Nielsen died on November 28 in 2010. Number 2. Ground crewman. Real name David Samuel Zucker. He was born on October 16, 1947. David Samuel Zucker in 1980, age 33 years old. David Samuel Zucker in 2022, age 74. Number 3. Captain Clarence Over. Real name Peter Graves. He was born on 18th of March 1926. Peter Graves in 1980, age 54 years. Peter Graves died on March 14 in 2010. Number 4. Steve McCroskey. Real name Lloyd Bridges. He was born on January 15, 1930. Lloyd Bridges in 1980, age 67 years. Lloyd Bridges died on March 10 in 1998. Number 5. Johnny Henson. Real name Stephen Stacker. He was born on July 2nd in 1947. Stephen Stacker in 1980, age 33 years. Stephen Stacker died on April 13 in 1986. Number 6. Roger Murdoch. Real name Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. He was born on April 16, 1947. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar in 1980, age 33 years. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar in 2022, age 74 years. Number 7. Religious Zealot. Real name Jim Abrahams. He was born on May 10 in 1944. Jim Abrahams in 1980, age 36. Jim Abrahams in 2022, age 77. Number 8. Randy. Real name Lorna Patterson. She was born on October 1st in 1956. Lorna Patterson in 1980, age 24 years. Lorna Patterson in 2022, age 65 years. Number 9. Lieutenant Hordwiz. Real name Ethel Merman. She was born on 16th of January in 1908. Ethel Merman in 1980, age 72 years. Ethel Merman died on February 15 in 1984. Number 11. Ted Sticker. Real name Robert Hayes. He was born on July 24, 1947. Robert Hayes in 1980, age 33 years. Robert Hayes in 2022, age 74. Number 12. Elaine Dickinson. Real name Julie Hagerty. She was born on July 15, 1955. Julie Hagerty in 1980, age 25 years. Julie Hagerty in 2022, age 66 years. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.